हॅलो स्टुडंट, मी गायत्री सीताफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मीडियावर. आज आपण स्टार्ट करणार आहोत 10 सायन्स सोल्युशन्स पार्ट फर्स्ट, चॅप्टर नंबर 8 मेटलर्जी. इन दॅट क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, इन दॅट ए alloy of sodium with mercury. Answer is sodium amalgam. B molecular formula of common ore of aluminum. Answer is Al2O3 dot NH2O. C the oxide that forms salt and water by reacting with of both acid and base. Answer is aluminum oxide. D device used for the grinding an ore. Answer the device is used for grinding an ore is the grinding mill. E the non-metal having the electrical conductivity. Answer graphite having a electrical conductivity. F the reagent that dissolves the noble metals. Answer aqua is the reagent that dissolves the noble metals like a gold and platinum. Question number 2, make up pairs of substances and their property. Okay, first is a potassium bromide. Answer for the potassium bromide is potassium bromide is soluble in water. Okay, after that gold have a high ductility. Answers for that, gold have high ductility. Sulfur is the combustible and neon is the no chemical reaction. Okay, after that question number 3, identify the pairs of the metals and ores from the following. Bauxite, the ore of the bauxite is aluminium. Okay, sideterite is the the ore of the sideterite is the tin. Cinnabar, ore of the cinnabar is the mercury. Okay. Question number 4, explain the terms metallurgy. Answer metallurgy the process used for the extraction of the metals in their pure form from their ores. Then metals are further purified by the different methods of purification. All the process is called as a metallurgy. After that, ores, the mineral from which the metals can be extracted profitably and conveniently are called as ores. Example, bauxite Al2O3 dot H2O, cinnabar HGS. Minerals. Answer minerals are the naturally occurring compounds of metals along with other impurities are known as minerals. Example, rocks are composed of the mixtures of minerals. Talc and granite are the minerals. D gangue. Answer gangue, ore contain metal compounds with a sum of impurities like a solid sand, rocky material, etc. These impurities are called as a gangue. Question number 5, write a scientific reasons. In that, A lemon or turmalin are used for the cleaning of copper vessels turn greenish. Answer copper undergo the oxidation in air to form a black copper oxide. Copper oxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air and gains a green coat. This green substance is called as a lemon and turmalin contain acid. The acid dissolves the green coating of the basic copper carbonate present on the surface of a tarnished copper utensils and makes it shiny again. Question number B, generally the ionic compounds have high melting point. Answer the ionic compounds exist in a solid state and they are hard due to the strong electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. The intermolecular force of attraction is high in ionic compounds and large energy is required to overcome it. Therefore, ionic compounds have high melting point. Question number C, sodium is always kept in kerosene. Why sodium is stored in kerosene? Answer sodium reacts so vigorously with the atmospheric oxygen that it catches fire. It kept in the open. It does not react with the kerosene and sink in it. Hence, to protect sodium and prevent accidental fires, it always kept in kerosene. Question number D, pine oil is used in the froth flotation process. Answer in the extraction of the mineral particles in the ore are preferentially weighted by the oil and the float on the top in the froth. The gangue particles are weighted by the water and settle down. Thus, the mineral can be separated from the gangue and ore is concentrated. E. Anodes need to be replaced from time to time during the electrolysis of alumina. Answer during the electrolysis of alumina, the oxygen liberated at the carbon anode react with the graphite rods and forms a carbon dioxide. As the anodes get oxidized during electrolysis of alumina, they are formed continuous eroded. Okay, hence it is necessary to replace the anode from time to time. Question number 6. When a copper coin is dipped in a silver nitrate solution, a glitter appears on the coin after some time. Why does this happen? Write the chemical reaction. Answer. When a copper coin is dipped in a silver nitrate solution, more reactive copper displaces silver from silver nitrate solution. The silver so liberated deposit on the copper coin. As a result, a shiny coat of silver is formed on the coin. Copper plus twice AgNO3 gives rise to copper nitrate plus twice Ag. Question number 7. The electronic configuration of metal A is a 281 and that of the metal B is the 282. Which of two metals is more reactive? Identify these metals. Write their reaction with a dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay. Answer. If the number of electrons in the outermost orbit is less, then the metal is a more reactive. Metal A contains 1 electron in the outermost shell, while metal B contains 2 electrons. Hence, the metal A is more reactive than the metal B. Metal A is a sodium and metal B is a magnesium. Reactions of the sodium and magnesium with the dilute HCl are twice sodium plus twice H12 gives rise to twice NaCl, sodium chloride plus H2, that is a hydrogen. Magnesium Mg plus twice HCl on that is a dilute HCl gives rise to MgCl2 magnesium chloride plus H2 hydrogen. Question number 8. Draw a neat label diagram, that is a magnetic separation method. First diagram. See the magnetic separation method diagram. Okay, here is a magnetic roller, it is a powder ore, it is non-magnetic roller, it is a conveyor belt, magnetic ingredient, collectors and non-magnetic ingredients. Second diagram is froth flotation process. In that, concentrated sulfide ore is here, there is a froth and air supply, powder ore, bubbles, water and pine oil, agitator and gangue is out. See electrolytic reduction of alumina, that is anodes, it's a graphite mixture of alumina and cryolite, Fluor spar, outlet from the molten aluminum and steel tank. Okay. D is the hydraulic separation method, that is a powder ore, its gangue, ore, suspension, water and concentrated ore. Question number 9. Write a chemical reaction for the following events. In that A, aluminium came into the contact with air. Answer. When aluminium is exposed to air, it develops a thin oxide layer of alumina. 4 alumina plus 3 oxygen on heating gives rise to aluminum oxide. Question number B. Ion filling are drop in aqueous solution of copper sulfate. Answer. When ion filling are a drop in the copper sulfate solution, more reactive ion displaces the copper from copper sulfate solution. The ion filling gets coated with the reddish brown copper metal and blue color of the copper sulfate fades gradually and ferrous sulfate is formed. Fe, its solid give plus CuSO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus copper. C. A reaction was brought about between the ferric oxide and aluminum. Answer. The reaction between the ferric oxide and iron produces aluminum oxide and iron. It is thermite reaction and highly exothermic. It produces a large amount of heat which is released to melt oxygen and the aluminum. This reaction is used in the welding of machinery. It is also used in the warfare to make grenades. The chemical reaction for this above as follows: 3Fe2O twice, Fe3O twice plus 4 aluminum gives rise to 2Al2O3 plus 6Fe. D. Electrolysis of aluminum is done. Answer. During electrolysis of aluminum is deposited at the cathode. Molten aluminum, being heavier than the electrolyte, is collected at the bottom of the tank. Oxygen gas is liberated at the anode. Anode reaction twice O minus gives rise to O2 plus 4 electron, that is the oxidation reaction. Cathode reaction is the aluminum 3 plus 3 electron gives rise to aluminum gives rise, this is a reduction reaction. E. Zinc oxide is a dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid. Answer. Zinc oxide is a dissolved in dilute hydrochloric acid. Zinc chloride and water are formed. Zinc oxide is the basic oxide plus twice HCl in liquid gives rise to ZnCl2 zinc chloride plus H2. Question number 10. Complete the following statement using every given options during the extraction of alumina. First, ingredients and the gangue in bauxite. B. Use of leaching leaching during the concentration of ore. C. Chemical reaction of transformation of bauxite into alumina by Hall's process. D. Heating the alumina ore with the concentrated caustic soda. Answer. Chemical reaction of transformation of the bauxite into alumina is the Hall's process. Question number 11. Divide the metals copper, zinc, calcium, magnesium, iron, sodium, lithium into 3 groups, namely reactive metal, moderately reactive metals and less reactive metal. Answer. Reactive metals are sodium, lithium and calcium. Moderately reactive metals are zinc, iron and magnesium. Less reactive metals are copper. Okay. So thank you student. पुन्हा भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. प्लीज लाईक शेअर अँड सबस्क्राईब दी चॅनल.